fun making the sounds of all the different musical instruments. We know how much fun you have playing with Papa when you visit us, and so we decided to help Santa and make sure that you have your very own special piano to practice on and learn some songs to play for Papa and Grandma. So have a great time with this piano and play on it every day when we come to see you next time in January. Maybe you will play a little song for us. Have a very Merry Christmas. So much love for both of you. Papa and Grandma.
Okay, now open it.
Okay.
Good early morning reading, Jade.
I'm glad I did not rip the paper. Oh my god.
Okay, turn it over.
I think this is a peanut.
Whoa. Watch the... Is that cool?
That's awesome.
I know what kind of piano this is. Our music teacher has it.
Okay,
I
what?
want one.
Our music teacher has it.
Here, what do you say to Grandma and Papa?
Thank you.
And
Merry Christmas.
You gotta look at the camera.
I love you.